What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy Yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Right people, as you've seen from the title today, I'm gonna be taking you through the 5 best things that all good skippers or jump ropers, what you're gonna call them, that they do, right? Now, it's really important that you try and follow these 5 steps. There are obviously more than 5 things, probably 10, 20 things that all good skippers do, but I'm just focusing on these 5 today. And if you comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and you want to see the second part to the video, let me know, because I've got literally tons of points that I'd love to mention. So if you're unsure quickly, what skipping ropes we use on this channel is of course the RA Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope, the most in-demand skipping rope on the planet, hands down. Use YouTube 10 for 10% discount, peeps. We are also restocking these ropes and more this Saturday at 3 p.m. So look, we're gonna get straight into this video, don't wanna mess around. Gonna try and get through this in about 6 or 7 minutes, right? Number 1, peeps, we're gonna rattle through this really quickly. The first point is all skippers, all jump ropers always stay on the balls of their feet. Now, I mention this in literally every single one of my tutorials. All that simply means, guys, is that every single move you do, every type of skipping you do not let the heels crash down on the floor. Now, I've seen loads of people, loads of freestylers, loads of kind of high intense jump ropers out there who do come down crashing, boom, on their heels. And for a short period of time, it could be good, but if you're consistently skipping like this, it is not gonna do any good to your body, all right? So what I want you guys to kind of feel, especially if you're beginners out there, even intermediates trying to do high kind of intense moves like double unders, southpaws, every single time I'm skipping, I'm always on the balls of basically my feet, right? And it's gonna give you the best workouts as well. If you're in this game using a skipping rope to try and keep fit and healthy, do it like you wanna keep fit and healthy, right? Do not skip really harshly on your feet, because that's just gonna get you injured, and it's not gonna get you the best workouts. It's not gonna activate those calves. It's not gonna strengthen those joints. So balls of the feet is point number 1, very, very important. Point number 2, peeps, is very, very important, right? All good skippers, jump ropers out there have perfect timing and balance, right? Now, a long time ago on this channel, I talked about balance and timing being the key to executing all skipping moves, right? There was nothing to do with speed, nothing to do with like going kind of a million miles an hour. Perfect timing and balance is what you need, right? Now, when I talk about perfect timing, it's about when you jump in relation to when the rope comes around your body, when it comes underneath your feet. When are you actually jumping? Now, I've seen loads of different styles over my years of doing this channel. I've seen people skip and jump way too early, like this, or they add a little mini bounce. So here, and they do a little bounce. Like, we've all been there. When you first pick up a rope, I know it's really difficult, but timing is just about learning when to just jump off the floor. The balance comes into it when you can basically manipulate the rope, add in different moves, but you skip and jump right at the right time, okay? So focus on when you jump, learn to really take your time, watch the rope, use your hand-eye coordination, watch the rope as it comes around, then you take off, then learn different footwork, and you become a great skipper. Third point is all good skippers know how to do every single move at a very slow speed. Now, most people when they get a rope, they want to go super quick, but when they need to then slow down and come out of moves and transition, it starts to look uncontrolled, like a little bit out of place. So what you want to do is try and focus on trying to do every single move as slow as possible, to the point where you can manipulate this rope. You've got your timing on point, footwork on point, balance on point, and you can start to move up the gears. You want to be able to basically make sure you can go as fast and slow. When it comes to double unders, really slow, and then really quick. Right, if you can transition between slow and fast, it's going to make you instantly a much better skipper, much more better in terms of your aesthetics, and you're going to make sure that you're flying boss the right way, not all over the place, unbalanced, and make it look like you're kind of advanced, but you're not. Point number 4, peeps, is all about how you guys visualize your combinations, your moves, your tricks. All good skippers, unlike me when they get really tired, they can visualize how they're going to actually piece together their moves, and they're going to be creative with it. I want you guys to be creative at home. This channel serves as a purpose to help you build on your moves, understand how moves work, understand how certain moves kind of move and connect with other moves. Keep it unique, people, man. We're all unique. Be individual. get some creativity with this, right? Like Mayweather for me was my inspiration. He showed me how to move with a skipping rope. He made it look smooth and all that kind of stuff and made me obsessed. But I then created new sort of ways of moving with the rope. That was my creativity. That was the way I understood how I can kind of move this rope, how I can get better with it. And I want you guys to do the same. All good skippers, all good jump ropers, the point is they become creative. They visualize what they want to do. Do the same at home. Take these kind of moves, take other people's moves that you've seen maybe on social media, but make it your own, all right? Add this type of move with this type of move, and you're going to understand how you can create your own style. That is what I wanted to get out of this as I talk and I'm out of breath. But for example, Mayweather created the double under crossover like this into a run, and then I thought to myself, all right, we could create it with a double cross, and then that became the double cross under. That's point number 4, peeps. Keep it creative. Point number 5, people, I'm gonna keep it quick now, is just don't give up, right? Be persistent. This thing is not as easy as you may think it is. Obviously, when you see people like me skipping, other people on social media, when you see crossovers being linked with doubles, you know, you go out, you pick up your rope, you do the same, you fail, you get slapped, and just remember, it's all about the journey. When it comes to skipping, one of the best things I've learned about this thing over the last 5 years is how it has strengthened my mental my mental game, all right? Simple as that. Like, this can be then put into everyday life, all right? If you can conquer this, if you can understand that you're not going to get it right first time, and that you put your time, be really patient, it takes hours and hours of practice to master this. This can then be put into your everyday life. Like I said, anything else you want to learn, you know that you spend hours doing this is not the easiest thing. Just remember, it takes a lot of practice, man. End of the day, it's not an overnight thing. So all good skippers understand this. They don't give up, they don't put it down. If they can't connect moves, if they can't do this one trick they've seen or want to do, they understand that it takes time. Put the rope down for a day, clear your mind, come back to it the next day. Do not give up. And that is pretty much point number 5. Right, fam, so I hope you guys enjoyed those 5 key points. Just don't give up, stay persistent, be creative. They're the best things I want you to take away from this. And yeah, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see part 2, where I've got a lot more points to share with you. These are just my first 5 points that came to mind. If I missed anything, again, let the community know down below, and I will get those points done on another video. So please do remember, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Do appreciate every single one of you joining this journey with me. And we are creating one of the most incredible, epic, amazing communities out there across the world today, and it's all backed up by this bad boy. So get your gear, your merch online. We've got you all hooked up, and I'll see you as always in the next one. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.